Yo, Diana, it's your birthday. We in Tahoe, celebrating your way. We're having fun. We're in the sun. You're turning 30. You're such a dirty, flirty, girly.
Oh, kill him. Kill him. Yo, fam, we need to go. Reporting live from Lake Tahoe with these two fine specimens.
Very gracefully.
We have made it all the way out here from LA. It's Diana's birthday. We stopped in Bodie along the way. My microphone was off, so I couldn't really say anything while I was there, but the footage is cool. If you guys are going from LA to, well, look at this view first of all. Look at this water. Crystal clear. Anyway, if you're making a road trip from LA to Lake Tahoe, highly recommend you stop at Bodie. It's a really cool ghost town. Dates back to the 1800s. There's a really cool history behind it. We had an amazing time there, and everything's so fascinating. It's like everything was frozen in time. Anyway, we're about to have some fun here at the lake.
It's about to get wild.
This is for a big 3-0, by the way.
Big 3-0, how do you feel?
Like I'm 29 still.
We just parked our kayaks and now gonna make our way up to this castle. Almost there.
Like, yo.
I'm like all into it.
Life is just always mysterious and surprising. You never know what's around the next corner. You never know what's around the next corner.
News, I dropped my gimbal in the water completely. I don't know if it's working anymore, but I'm not gonna turn it on until tomorrow. So we'll be dealing with shaky footage for the rest of the day. And we are now at Sand Harbor in Lake Tahoe. And Angelica's brought us onto the only mission among these rocks. Pretty cool place. Oh, by the way, my gimbal works. After it was submerged completely in water yesterday, I didn't turn it on. And today I turned it on and it actually works. So I'm thankful I didn't take that loss. But I forgot it in the car like an idiot, so bear with the shaky footage.
Sweatpants and sneakers, no bathing suit.
It was like 35 degrees at night. Who's gonna bring shorts?
Look at it right now. Sun's blazing.
Really hot.
He's wearing all black. Whose man's is this? Look at that.
Ha! Are you ready to go back to New York?
I'll be back soon.
I'm ready to go back to New York.
And I'm not ready for this 7-hour drive back to LA, but it has to happen.
She has her bra in our car.
Oh. That's a good place for your bra.
You ride in Emil's car. These
Bras come off.
Yeah.
Well, till next time, and don't forget to make life dope.